Arellano.
I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin for the cold.
Carl James Timothy Gaviola.
Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I
Ronnie
make it
Boniface.
real. And all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When
Dexter
the tears come,
Wallace.
you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find how beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning times to gold, and we'll
Jimmy Velarde. James Erwin Dumala. EJ Filico.
Until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing it into something big, better than before. And if it's
Ladies and gentlemen, our dance sport team of Bontoc National High School, John Raphael M. Zadison and Isaac D. Alina. Slow walk, we have baseball team, Marvin Buckley. Ladies and gentlemen, our dance sport team of BNHs, John Raphael M. Zadison and RCT Alila. Slow mods, 4th placer. Tango, 4th placer. And finalist, 4th placer in the IVRA Army 2024. Pacifico A. Villa III and Ashley G. Larona. IVRA qualifier. And Alexis Maynard Gervais and Divine Faith R. Sapur, silver medalist. Slow walks, silver medalist. Tango, silver medalist. Venus walks, 4th placer. Slow foxtrot. Quick step, bronze medalist. And the finalist of the 2024 IVRA Dance Sports Competition, bronze medalist. Teachers, faculty and staff, parents and students, thank you for giving us pride.
from the very bottom of our hearts, to all coaches out there, especially Janelle Morial and Ma'am Daisy, and to baseball coaches, Ma'am Danica Osing and Ma'am Mary Chris Fowler, to all teachers, trainers, and to my fellow students, thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our Ibra athletes of Bundok National High School.